Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluwatunseyi. This is episode 8 of smoothies and juices, and we will be making a super healthy green juice which is an immune booster drink. In today's recipe we will use 8 celery with stalks, 2 apples, 1 lime, 2 slices of ginger. All these have been washed. Chop the veggies into sizes that will be easy for your blender. Celery is rich in vitamins, boosts immunity, helps in weight loss, aids digestion, rich in antioxidants. Apart from the health benefits of ginger, which I have mentioned a number of times in my videos, for me, once I incorporate ginger in any of my juices or recipes, it eliminates nausea, a feeling of wanting to vomit or throw up. I'll be using 2 small round slices of this ginger. Cut the apples in small sizes. You do not want to give your blender a hard work to do. You must have heard the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. It goes to tell us that apples have a lot of nutrients that can nourish our body. Green apples reduce the risk of cancer, strengthen the immune system. They also help clean the liver. Get your blender. Here's what we want to blend. 2 cups of water is needed to blend, and you may not also use it up. Pour the chopped celery, apples, and ginger into the blender cup and add some water. Blend until smooth. When making your healthy drink, veggies and fruits are a good combination. Fruits should not be too much, but enough to sweeten your drink, because some veggies may be tasteless or even sour. And if you're using a juice extractor, the fruit should be able to provide the juice needed so that you will not need to add any water. Don't forget your lime. Squeeze the lime to extract the juice. Set it aside. Get a sieve and pour the contents of the blender into the sieve. Try to strain the juice as much as you can. Pour the lime juice into the already made juice. Give it a nice stir. Our green juice is ready. If you're taking this for the first time, you may have a runny stomach, which is fine. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you do. Kindly subscribe to my channel if you've not done so, and turn on the post notification bell to be among the first to be notified each time I post a video. I'll see you on my next one. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.